Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try mint green t-shirt with maroon faded jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try blue half sleeve shirt with beach pants and white and beach sneakers. Next you can try black pattern polo t-shirt with tan pants and brown loafers. Next you can try turquoise blue shirt with off-white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black printed oversized t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with tan faded jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try blue t-shirt with blue funky jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try red printed shirt with aqua pants and brown slippers. Next you can try green shirt with beige and red striped pants and beige loafers. Next you can try brown t-shirt with brown shorts and cream sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 white sneaker outfit ideas.